Wow! Come live the Florida lifestyle in this maintenance-free Brentwood home. Enjoy all the beauty and tranquility of this neighborhood in your well-maintained 2/2/2 single-family villa. The home has an open floor plan, giving you lots of natural light throughout the spaces. The kitchen comes complete with granite counters, breakfast bar, wood cabinets and undermount lighting. The generously sized living room overlooks the screened lanai, where you can sit and relax with your favorite morning beverage. The master retreat is light and bright with walk-in closets and shower/tub combo. You'll appreciate all the updates this home has, even epoxy garage floors. Roof 2022/air conditioner 2021/exterior paint 2023. Furniture also available separately. Brentwood is a gated golf course community with a social membership to Citrus Hills where you will want to have a staycation all year long with 4 fitness centers, 150 square feet, Bella Vita full-service spa, 3 luxury pools, 4 golf courses, 3 18-hole and 1 9-hole, lighted tennis courts, 8 of those soft true, with covered observation deck, 1.5 walking trail, dog walk, basketball courts, 4 bocce ball courts, white sand volleyball, waterfront picnic tables, 8 pickleball courts, 2 fine dining restaurants, 1 restaurant and grill, 1 tiki bar, 300-seat auditorium and tons of social clubs. Come and start enjoying your resort-style living. Also coming soon, Brentwood Resort and Lifestyle Center and Citrus Hills Rockwood Central Sportsplex. Check it out, www.citrushillsgolfandcountryclub.com. Plus you'll be less than 2 miles from all the new shops at Black Diamond coming soon, including Target, Aldi and Texas Roadhouse. Don't miss out. Call today to schedule your appointment to view this home.